I can say that some of the products are tested on the people as well, and they like it. We have some snacks for dogs that are pretty tasty.
Okay.
Yeah. Huse is a Swedish brand that produces pet food mainly. The main product of Huse is dry food for dogs and cats. What makes us unique is Swedish recipe, which guarantees good quality, and also direct customer approach. This is the Huse concept basically. You cannot find Huse in branded stores or markets, popular markets. Our main goal is to be friends with the pets and with the pet owners and help them in every situation. So our representative that goes on the field are all educated in a way to help the customers in issues that they might have with the pets. And the second sales channel that we use is e-commerce or the website, which again leads to the direct customer approach because our main delivery option is direct customer delivery. We are covering entire European Union and all other countries in Europe. Outside Europe, we have operations in Asia, in Japan and Korea. Process of developing new recipes is pretty complicated. First, it needs to have a lot of requirements from the customers for some specific need of the pet. We have a team of nutritionists which have long experience behind them on this field, who are reviewing the issue and looking at the composition that might be used to help in that specific issue. They are selecting special ingredients that are more healthy and they have better results for the pets, and then they are combining them. Once they have all the information, they are sending this to the factory. They proceed, probably some test line is done so they can see the result, they can see the smell, the fat containing and everything. But in general, it's decided that that's the product that we need, and it starts to be mass produced. Then it's available for all countries, all markets at one time. Meanwhile, when everything is decided from formula side, from recipe side, then our content team is working on the creating product information. We have, I think there are 5 or 6 people involved in this process. 3 that are nutritionists, let's say. They know the composition and they know what each ingredient is doing, so they put this as text, as explanation, simple explanation for the customers. And we have 3 other which are mostly looking for additional information about the product outside the ingredients. So once the product is added in Ergonote, that means it's approved and it's already available for everyone around the world. And we inform them. We have internal newsletter for representatives only, where we tell them that there is a new product introduced. You can find more details. We give them some PDF, and also we point out that it's available for translation on Ergonote. And when they receive the product, because from the ordering to receiving it can take 3 to 5 days, maybe even longer sometimes, already have the product available on the website, so they can just enable it for selling afterwards. Ergonote is helping in reducing errors. I already said one of the biggest things that it was huge help for us is it was unifying the ingredients, because now, for example, when we put new product, we put those values per product, and those are locked values. So local CMS users cannot change the values. They can just translate the title of the specific attribute. And when we change some value in the product, we do it from one place, one point, and then it's applied to all stores. And this is very important for us, so we can follow same standards in all countries. Also, from CMS user perspective, it's much easier when you see only fields that you can translate, and then you know, okay, click here, translate. Then you have a bunch of fields and you don't know which one is clickable, which one is not clickable. Then you can click around and maybe do some wrong translation, like this. When you have a template and when you have locked fields which you cannot change, and you have kind of preview of the product page, it is much easier for them as well. So yeah, Ergonote is helping in this process a lot.